Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a immediate payment on the Capitec app. So let's get started. First of all, you will just open here your Capitec app. Okay. So you will search for the Capitec. So at here, when you will just open your Capitec, you have to log in and verify your identity by the authorization. Okay, so to do the immediate payment, you have the dashboard like this. Okay, so here you have the option to scan and pay, and you can just pay me option. You have the second settings option and all other option, so you can directly click on scan to pay. Okay, so you will just scan the another QR code and you will be able to pay the money to them, or you can just click on the send cash option, so it will directly send the cash to the another person. So this is how we can just transfer the money or pay the amount immediately in our Capitec. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.